Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations. Loving this first one. Her copper colored hair is absolutely stunning, and she did cut the hair into this pixie. And then we move on to the next hair transformation, and this one is going to feature a bob haircut. So the stylist did a very dramatic angled bob with this one. Absolutely gorgeous. Her hair looks so thick and full. Absolutely stunning. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have this very carefree and effortless bob makeover. Beautiful face framing highlights and bangs. Gorgeous classic simple bob haircuts. Next up, we have another long to short transformation. She has a really pretty strawberry blonde hair color, and the stylist has cut the hair into a bob haircut. So it looks like a cut and color transformation for this next one. The stylist gave her beautiful lob hair color. So we have someone who has the split dye hair color trend. Beautiful pixie haircut style. And then we have a gorgeous rooted dark root blonde lob haircut transformation. So I hope you guys enjoyed these makeovers with me. If you want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.